Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and home improvement aficionados. Are you ready to transform your garage into a stylish and functional space? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of garage flooring with the best garage floor tiles on the market. Imagine a sleek, durable floor that not only enhances the aesthetics of your garage but also withstands the wear and tear of everyday life. From easy installation to unbeatable designs, we've got the top picks that will elevate your garage game. So, stick around as we explore our favorite tiles that combine functionality and style, ensuring your garage stands out and stays neat. Let's get started. Number 5. VersaTex Garage Floor Tiles, the ultimate solution for anyone seeking quality and versatility in flooring. Measuring 18 by 18 inches, these interlocking rubber diamond plate tiles are perfect for home gyms, garages, trade shows, and basements. Designed for durability, these tiles are heat-resistant and puncture-proof, making them safe for vehicles and heavy equipment. The non-porous and waterproof design ensures that sweat or spills won't compromise their integrity, unlike traditional foam mats that can tear or absorb liquids. What's more, you can place them over any indoor hard surface, from laminate to cement, without the need for adhesives. The UV-resistant tiles come in a classic gray that won't fade, maintaining a clean look, whether you're in a utility room or a craft corner. Choose between a solid color or a chic checker design by mixing packs, allowing you to customize your flooring as needed. With VersaTex, you get the best garage floor tiles that protect while looking stylish. Upgrade your space today. Number 4. Flooring Inc.'s Nitro 12 inches by 12 inches snap-together garage flooring tiles are the ultimate solution for transforming your garage space into a stylish and organized haven. These non-slip interlocking plastic tiles are designed to withstand heavy traffic and spills, thanks to their extra-thick polypropylene construction. Say goodbye to boring and neglected garage floors. With a vented pattern and Shelby blue color, these tiles not only enhance the aesthetics but also provide excellent traction, making them a safe choice for any garage environment. Easy to clean and maintain, these tiles adapt seamlessly to foundation shifts, ensuring long-lasting durability without the cracking often associated with epoxy treatments. You have the freedom to customize your garage layout, as Flooring Inc. offers limitless design potential with their interlocking tiles. For over a decade, they've been the leaders in high-quality plastic and raised-deck garage flooring, making them the best garage floor tiles option on the market. Upgrade your garage today with Flooring Inc.'s Nitro tiles and enjoy a beautiful, functional space that truly stands out. Number 3. VEVOR Garage Tiles, your ultimate solution for an exceptional garage floor covering. These interlocking tiles, measuring 12 by 12 by 0.53 inches, come in a convenient 25-pack, making it easy to transform your garage, basement, repair shop, or any workspace into a comfortable and functional area. With a remarkable load capacity of 5,500 pounds, these tiles boast outstanding wear resistance and can withstand heavy vehicles without a hitch. One of the standout features of these garage flooring tiles is their upgraded interlocking design, featuring 6 loops for effortless installation, no tools or glues required. Simply lay them down and watch as they interlock seamlessly within minutes. Plus, with their waterproof 3D diamond textured surface, cleaning is a breeze. Just mop or vacuum to maintain a pristine and inviting space. Safety is key, and VEVOR doesn't disappoint, providing superior non-slip properties to keep the tiles secure. Experience unparalleled durability and functionality with VEVOR Garage Tiles, an investment in quality for every garage enthusiast. Number 2. BoldWorks Garage Floor Tiles offer an optimal solution for homeowners seeking the best garage floor tiles on the market. Designed with durability in mind, these interlocking garage flooring tiles are crafted from impact-resistant polypropylene, allowing them to handle rolling loads of up to 40,000 lbs without breaking or cracking. Measuring 12 by 12 inches and 0.5 inches thick, this pack of 48 gray tiles not only enhances the aesthetic of your garage but also rectifies common buckling issues thanks to its UV coating and 6 interlocking loops. The patent-pending brick pattern provides impressive slip resistance, making these tiles perfect for any car garage, shop floor, or basement. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the oil, stain, and water-resistant material, and you can easily mop or vacuum them to maintain their pristine condition. Plus, setting up your new garage flooring is hassle-free. The snap lock mechanism allows for quick installation in under 10 minutes, without the need for tools or extra hands. Indulge in the practicality of Boldworks garage floor tiles to elevate your garage space. Number 1. Big Floors RADIATOR Free Flow Open Rib Self-Draining Design, featuring a durable copolymer plastic interlocking modular tile system. This premium flooring solution is perfect for anyone looking for the best garage floor tiles that combine style and functionality. Installation is a breeze with its tool-free interlocking design, providing a sleek appearance and exceptional floor protection right out of the box. Crafted from high-impact polypropylene, these tiles are a non-toxic alternative to traditional epoxy floors, proudly made in the USA without harmful fumes. The self-draining feature and slip-resistant surface ensure maximum airflow and safety, while the multi-level understructure absorbs impact, offering impressive anti-fatigue benefits. Cleaning is effortless, as debris and liquid can be swept away, leaving your workspace pristine. With endless design possibilities, the RADIATOR Free Flow tiles can be interlocked with other RADIATOR products, allowing for unique DIY projects. Invest in your space with this durable and stylish flooring option, and experience the perfect blend of practicality and elegance. In conclusion, choosing the best garage floor tiles can significantly enhance the aesthetics and durability of your space. Whether you opt for interlocking tiles, vinyl, or epoxy finishes, make sure they align with your style and functional needs. A well-finished garage not only boosts your property value but also makes it a more enjoyable area to work and relax. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more tips and tricks on home improvement and design.